Hi. In the last lecture video, we have discussed about what is the nanofibers, what's the diameter of the nanofiber, and what are the properties of the nanofiber, and what are the fabrication methods utilized for the fabrications of nanofibers. In this video, we will discuss about a detailed electrospinning technique and melt processing technique which commonly used for the fabrication of nanofibers. First, we will detail discuss about melt processing. Processing is one of the technique used for the production of nanofibers. The steps involved in the melt processing are heating and melting. The polymer material was heated above its melting temperature until it becomes viscous. The next extrusions are spinning. After heating, it will be extruded with the help of die. Next, the final step is cooling and solidifications. After extrusions, it was rapidly cooled with the help of air and water to solidify. And finally, it will be collected and deposited on the collector drum. The schematic representation was clearly shown in the figure. Here, the figure consists of two die, one is upper die and lower die. In between the die, the polymer was crushed, and on another side it was extruded. At the side of the extruder, the hot flowing air was passed to the extruded material, which causes the extruded material which was converted into nanofibers, and finally it was collected on the collector drum in the form of nanofibers. Next, we will discuss about the electrospinning technique. Electrospinning technique is similar to the melt processing. In melt processing, the hot flowing air was used to convert the polymer into nanofibers. Here, electrospinning process, the high voltage was applied to the polymer melt, which was converted into nanofibers. The steps involved in the electrospinning process are first solution preparation. First, initially the polymer was in the form of solid. It was converted into the solution with the help of organic solvent. Then next, jet formation under electric field. After preparing the polymer solution, it was transferred to the syringe pump. It was loaded in the electrical unit. After a high voltage was applied to the polymer solution, which was converted into nanofibers. Finally, it was fiber deposition. The charged thin jet was deposited on the collector drum in the form of nanofibers. The schematic representation was shown in the figure, which clearly indicates it consists of three components. The first is syringe pump. Syringe pump loads the uh, needle containing polymer solutions in which flow rate was given. At the end of the needle, it was connected to the high voltage supply. After applying voltage, it was converted into nanofibers. Nanofibers deposited on the culture drum. The formation of nanofibers mainly depends on the three parameters such as flow rate, voltage, and the collector drum. Electrospinning process is a very headache process because optimizing very difficult because of three parameters involved. For fabricating the good nanofibers, any one parameter was kept constant, and another parameters were varied. For example, if the collector distance was kept constant, the flow rate and the applied voltage can be varied for the optimization process to get good nanofibers. Next is evaluate. We will see the application of nanofibers. The application of nanofibers was widely used in the various applications, especially in the biomedical field. In biomedical field, it was used for the tissue engineering and drug delivery systems for control release, and in interesting applications in the form of antimicrobial and absorbing properties. In case of environmental, air and water filtrations, absorption of pollutants, catalytic stoppers for chemical reactions. In industrial and energy, it was used as a productive textiles. Further, it was also used in the batteries, fuel cells, and capacitors. Other applications of the nanofibers includes food packaging with antimicrobial properties, cosmetic. It was also used in the cosmetic delivery systems, controlled release of fertilizers in the agriculture applications. These are the reference I have brought for the this topic. Thank you.